to my channel. My name is Vina Roa, and in this video, I'll be showing you how I removed my makeup using Roa's makeup remover pads. First of all, get your micellar water or toner. And this time I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Micellar Water 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing, even for sensitive skin. And then pour some on the dry, smooth side of the pad and remove your makeup first. After removing your makeup, wet the pad and put an ample amount of facial cleanser on the rough side of the pad. I'll be using this Avo Naturals Face Care Whitening Cleanser Papaya for bright and soft skin. Rub the pad to your face thoroughly until all the remaining makeup and dirt are removed.